Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to verify Weebly with Google. This process is essential if you want to monitor your website's performance in search results, submit sitemaps, and identify any technical issues that might affect your site's visibility. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Search Console website. Open your browser and type in search.google.com/search-console. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account you want associated with managing your Weebly site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Search Console dashboard. Look toward the top left corner of your screen where you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Property from the options that appear. This is where you'll register your Weebly site with Google's monitoring tools. You'll now see two options for adding your property. Select the URL prefix option, as this allows you to verify a specific URL rather than an entire domain. In the field that appears, type in your full Weebly site URL, making sure to include the http:// or https:// at the beginning. After entering your URL, click Continue to move forward. Google will now present you with several verification methods. From the list, select the HTML tag option. This method is straightforward and works perfectly with Weebly's setup. Google will provide you with a meta tag code. Go ahead and copy this code, as you'll need to paste it into your Weebly site in just a moment. Now open a new tab in your browser and log in to your Weebly account. Navigate to the site you want to verify and open it in the Weebly editor. Once you're in the editor, look at the top menu and click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll access the tools needed to insert Google's verification code. In the Settings sidebar on the left side of your screen, click on SEO. This section houses all the search engine optimization settings for your site, including the ability to add custom code to your site's header. Scroll down until you find the header code box. This is where you'll paste the meta tag code you copied from Google earlier. Click inside the box and paste the code there. After pasting the code, click Save to preserve your changes. But don't stop there. You also need to click Publish to push these changes live to your website. This step is crucial because Google won't be able to detect the verification code until your site is published with the updated header code. Now switch back to the Google Search Console tab. At the bottom of the verification page, you'll see a button labeled Verify. Click it to let Google check your site for the meta tag you just added. Wait a moment while Google processes the verification. If everything was done correctly, you'll see a success message confirming that your site has been verified in Google Search Console. You now have full access to monitor your Weebly site's search performance and health. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.